everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to hide all posts on Facebook. So for that, first thing is open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you open the Facebook application, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that, and there you need to scroll down to the very bottom, tap on setting and privacy, then tap on setting. Once you're at the setting and privacy section, you need to scroll down to the your information, and there you need to tap on activity log. Tap that. Here in activity log, you will be able to find all the post, tag, interaction, anything that you have done on your Facebook. You will be able to find it over here on this activity log section. So once you're at this page, you need to tap on your post, manage your post on the top. Tap that. Here you will find all the posts that you have made on Facebook. This is the place where you can hide all posts on Facebook. As you can see, I only have one post that I've made on my Facebook account. So I'm gonna hide this post. So what you need to do is you need to select the post that you want to hide. Tap that post and then tap on the dotted lines on the right side. Tap that, and there you will have the option of hide from profile. You tap on it. Now this will hide the post that you have made hidden from your profile. So you have to do this one at a time. If you have multiple posts, you need to go and tap on the each section and hide it from your post. That was the one way how you can hide all posts on Facebook. There's another. For that, you tap on all on the text box over here. This will select all the posts that you have made on Facebook. Now you tap on the dotted lines on the very bottom right. Tap that. Then tap on change audience. Tap on it. The audience you selected can see these posts on your profile. If you want to manage posts you've shared in other places like in group, you can review those separately in activity log. Tap on change audience. Now in the edit privacy section, you need to change the audience to only me. All of the selected posts will have their audience changed to your selected option. Tap on change. Now once you do that, all the posts that you have selected in here will be changed to the only me option. That is, only you will be able to see that post and it will be hidden from the other Facebook user. This is another way how you can hide all the posts on Facebook by changing the privacy setting to only me. This process will take some time to complete. So this is a way how you can hide all posts on Facebook individually. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.